Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. Just a quick little video for you today. Basically, we're going to be talking about the upgraded foam or sponge that you can get for the DJI Goggles 2. I've been asked a few times whether I've tried it and what my thoughts are. This upgraded foam has been available for about a month now, a little bit more maybe, in different online stores, and it is available on Amazon now as a Prime product. This upgraded foam is fairly inexpensive. I've seen it as low as $10. I think on Amazon, the US, it's about $12 or $15, something like that. The Canadian version is about $23. So really it's not a lot of money, but the important question is, does it help if you have problems with the fit? Now for me, it's going to be really hard to say because with the DJI Goggles 2, they were actually fitted perfectly to my face. It's like they were custom made for me. I never had a problem with light leakage or them not fitting correctly. The only thing I did have, like many people, is that there was quite a bit of pressure on the nose area. And of course a little bit of fogging. So if you are a person who is having a fit problem, I'm not really sure I can help out in that aspect. Now a couple things about this upgraded foam. You can see here it does come with a lens protector. And if you're a person who uses custom lenses, you can still use this new foam set. You can see it kind of goes all the way inside there, but the lenses will still fit over top. You just maybe have to be a little bit more cautious if you are using custom lenses because they do work off a little bit easier with this foam pressing up against them. Now, when you go to install it, you do have to remove the original plate that's in there. And this is a much harder, denser foam, and that kind of tends to be the problem for a lot of people. So you do have to remove that. It comes off fairly easy. You can see there's these posts there, so they just pull out. You just have to work at it from one side to the other, and they come out fairly easily. Installation is a little bit different because this foam doesn't have those posts that go back in. What they do is they provide you with these little Velcro strips that you place on the inside. You can see I have some there at the top, and that just keeps it firmly attached. Now those Velcro pieces don't stay on very well. As you can see, they kind of come off. But for the most part, they do hold it in place. I haven't had any issues there. Now, as mentioned, I never had a problem with fit, but what I can say is that these are much more comfortable to wear. It's not even a close comparison. These are actually very comfortable. And for me, I don't feel as much pressure in the nose. So I think for a lot of people, if you did have some light leakage, this definitely should help, and it should be a little bit more comfortable for you. The thing is, like I said, they're not that much money, and you can get them as a Prime product on Amazon. So it doesn't hurt just to order them in. If they don't work for you, you can always just send them back and get your money back. But for myself, I've actually been quite happy with them, so I will leave them on and use them this summer. I am hoping just due to that foam, you shouldn't sweat as much, and I'm hoping that will alleviate some of the fogging. It is winter here now in Canada, so, that's not too much of an issue. But I guess we'll be putting that to the test once it warms up here in a couple months. So yeah, we'll see what happens. There might be other third-party manufacturers that come up with better solutions down the road. But for now, if you are on the fence about getting them, I would say go ahead. I've myself been pretty pleased with them. Well, folks, that's basically it. Again, like I said, just a quick little video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. It's always greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.